Anytime now, and the race is on. Rival Gods, Lucky Touch, Harrods Magic from the outside. Ferrari 1, Diamond Quest. It's Lucky Touch, Harrods Magic, Diamond Quest, and Russian Ferrari 1 from the outside. Running by the rallies, Rival Gods, Mr. Godfather, Mr. Love, Stunning Success. Rounding the far turn, it's now the favorite Lucky Touch, Harrods Magic, Ferrari 1 racing third by some 4 lengths. Mr. Godfather, Mr. Love, Diamond Quest, Rival Gods are on the inside as they race the final corner. It's Harrods Magic from the outside. Lucky Touch, Ferrari 1 is sneaking down on the inside. Rival Gods, Mr. Godfather, Diamond Quest, and Stunning Success. And nearing the finish line, Harrods Magic followed now by 10-8 Ferrari 1. And finally, Harrods Magic, 10-8 Ferrari 1. Lucky Touch close, Mr. Godfather, Rival Gods, and Stunning Success. Then comes Diamond Quest.